Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Binance ID. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Your user ID is a unique identifier crucial for various platform interactions. We'll cover both the web and mobile app methods to easily locate it. This guide will help you quickly access this important information whenever you need it for support or verification purposes. If you are using the Binance website, begin by logging in. Once logged in, look for the small profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu or a new page will appear. Your unique user ID will be clearly visible near your username or email address. It's typically a string of numbers. For those using the Binance mobile application, open the app and log in. On the home screen, you will usually see a small profile icon, often in the top left corner. Tap this icon to access your personal profile page. Your user ID will be prominently displayed there, often near your account name or email. It's a straightforward process to find it. Your Binance user ID is more than just a number. It's vital for several reasons. When contacting customer support, providing your user ID helps them quickly identify your account and assist you efficiently. It also serves as a unique identifier for various platform activities. Always remember to keep your user ID confidential and never share it publicly to maintain your account's security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.